Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you saw the title of this video, I'm just going to be doing a quick Funky Lenses costume contact review for their shade Blind White. Blind White is the zombie shade that turns your whole color part of your eye completely white so you look dead. I'm really excited to try them out because Halloween's coming up and also Christmas, which sounds weird, but I like to do creepy Christmas looks, so I think those will be fun. And also they last a year, so I can use them for the next year, which is great if they work out, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so the lenses I got were from funkylenses.com in the shade Blind White. They came in a small little box. I don't have the box, I opened it, threw it away, but it was nothing big. It was just a tiny little box. They didn't come with a contact case or solution, so you do have to buy a contact case and solution for these contacts. They just came in little tiny vials of solution, and you do have to soak them for a certain amount of time. So I already did that, so let me grab my contacts real quick. So I have them in this little contact case right here. I'm gonna open them up and put them in. Sorry if my eyes are bloodshot. I just did a previous contact review that's going to be up in my next video, so my eyes are already a little bit irritated. So we're going to try these out and see how they work. Alright, so contact number 1 going in. Oh, smooth application. Alright. So I have one contact in, as you can see. I'm letting it adjust. There we go. Oh shoot, my eyelash is coming off. Alright, so this is what the contact looks like in. I have one in, one out, so you can see what that looks like. My eyes are a very dark brown, so it does a great job in covering it. It doesn't make it super white, but it gives you like that gray film that a corpse eye has, so you do look like you're dead, which is really nice if you're going for that look. But yeah, they feel comfortable, they're not irritating at all, they were easy to put in. So overall, I would give them a 10 out of 10. I am going to put the other one in just a second, but let's just see what they... Okay, so covering my eye, basically the only thing that you're going to be able to see if you're in a well-lit room are shadows of objects and light sources. So I can see my ring light perfectly, my lamp and my TV, which is on, I can see that perfectly. But if you're in a dark room, you're not going to be able to see a thing at all. You're going to be 100% blind. With this contact in, you're about 80% blind. You can just see shadows and light sources. So if you're going to wear the contact with both in, you're going to need someone to guide you at all times during the day and at night. But if you put them in like this, doing one half like dead and just one half normal, you're fine, you can see. Don't drive in these even with one in because you're still blind in one side. But if you wear one in, one out, you're probably good to walk around throughout the day. You're just going to not be able to see anything through your peripheral vision. But yeah, I'm gonna put the other contact in just to give you guys the full effect of what that looks like. So I'll be right back. Okay, I think the camera's rolling. I can't tell because I can't see anything because I put both contacts in. So this is what it looks like with both contacts in. I honestly can't tell what it looks like because I can't see anything. I can only see my blue hair in the viewfinder, and that's pretty much it, and my ring light. But yeah, so this is the review of these contacts. I did take a picture to see what I look like in them. It looks cool, it looks creepy, it gives the effect that it needs to give. If you're gonna wear these though, yes, they are comfortable, but you're not gonna be able to see a damn thing. So you're gonna need a friend or a family member, somebody to walk around with you and guide you wherever you need to go while wearing these. But other than that, for photos, if you're just gonna wear them for photos, these are perfect. They give you the effect that you need. My eyes are tearing up because that contact had a lot of solution on it when I put it in. But yeah, also put these in before you put on your makeup, because if not, your makeup's just gonna get everywhere like mine is. But yeah, I would definitely buy these again. They were cheap. I'll put the link in the description below. I think they were like $20 or 22. They were not more than 25. I know that. They're, oh my god, my eyes are really watering. Okay, I'm just gonna end this video because that one had a lot of solution in it when I put it in, so I'm tearing up. But yeah, if you want to see more, subscribe. If you don't, that's fine. I will be doing other videos. My channel's all over the place, so I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. But I do know my next video will consist of a wig review because I bought some wigs that I'm really excited to try on and review. So that will be my next video. And also check out my last video if you like my hair because I showed you how to dye it. It wasn't supposed to look like this, but this is what I got and I think it turned out cool either way. But yeah, I'm gonna take these out and I'm gonna take off my makeup because it's going everywhere, but thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked this video, and I hope you got what you needed out of it. And if you didn't, I'm sorry, I'll try better next time. But yeah, see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.